Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Triggers in Python scripts are mechanisms that enable specific actions or functions to be executed automatically in response to certain events or conditions. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to implement triggers using Python, focusing on a simple example. Triggers are essential for automating tasks and responding to events in a timely manner. In Python, triggers can be implemented using various techniques, and one common approach is to use decorators. Before we start, ensure that you have Python installed on your system. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website. Let's create a simple script that prints a message when a function is called. We'll implement a trigger using a decorator. In the example, we use the @trigger decorator above the example underscore function definition. This means that example underscore function will now have the trigger behavior. When example underscore function is called, the trigger is activated, and the message trigger activated is printed before the original message function executed. Save the script as trigger underscore decorator.py and run it using the following command. You should see the output. You can customize the trigger decorator based on your specific requirements. For example, you might want to pass parameters to the trigger function or handle different types of events. Implementing triggers in Python using decorators is a powerful technique for adding functionality to functions or methods. This tutorial provides a simple example to get you started. Explore and adapt this concept to suit your specific use cases. ChatGPT.